Today is the day I dread the most. I have to clean the air fryer. Who likes to do that? I don't, but when I have good tools with me, I don't mind. And this Milliard citric acid should be just the trick to help me. In addition to this, I will be using Arm & Hammer baking soda. Those two go hand in hand. And if you have vinegar, all those three make you a cleaning pro. I'm gonna bring you along, show you the before, how it looks like, and what this can do. This pan, oh, most certainly. This rack, okay, let's get started. This is supposed to help us. Let me start cleaning from the outside first, because I'm a little nervous what I'm gonna find inside. I'm gonna use citric acid to clean some of that grease on the glass. And the Scrub Daddy does a great job at removing it. And look at our first result. This opened flap is literally the base of our air fryer. On the bottom, that's dried up food, fat, and oil. Citric acid and vinegar to the rescue. And now the tough part. I already know I'm not gonna touch anything close to the light bulbs. I'm gonna focus on the dried up food on the bottom. I'm gonna try some baking soda for more power and a reaction. Citric acid and baking soda are on complete opposite ends on the pH scale. There's a lot of dried food on that rack. I'm gonna let this soak. So what we have here is baking soda, citric acid, and vinegar. Yeah, I think citric acid did most of the legwork at removing that grime, but baking soda does help soften the grime. So it was able to remove a lot of the grime, and these come right off. So I just need to wash this through with water. Now for this, a lot of the fat that's in here, or burnt food, is easily removed with a sponge. So I'm gonna go work on that. Definitely throwing that sponge away. And the final part, I think I'm just gonna stick it in the dishwasher. Much better from where it was. Most of that gunk and grime is off. Sure, there's a little bit left, but not a big deal. And for the air fryer result. If you've ever cleaned an air fryer, especially this one, you know it's near to impossible to get everything. But this I will accept. Thanks to my 3 helpers, baking soda, citric acid, and vinegar. I think all 3 did their parts, but I do want to commend citric acid for giving that extra boost.